USkills na final video any. Me was made the video back on the by nani pardon na so afinaba enjoy enjoy already 6,000 already 4,000 see take a risk no coupon code in 130 128 almost 130 the metoy no get on the mame 128 into almost 130 into adeba kwan so bibia ho ne say 128 no obi monthly scar or jono no into sa video we ade bi about USkills ni bia no after sa video we no obi ho tien semre no am fa me komi phone no we start this video we so we the USkills ni me so me Google Chrome no e dey be USkills na a pop up arts be so like okay those kind of arts be because omo e the arts na go website na so said the website na popular am for be visit no more dey oboboss no munyeska chat say enti ene ade ba ko a kire say these guys are greedy guys no more greedy because ultimate build the website or the arts no a good website ni na so these people no omu hies cannot tentem they are greedy the first sign they are greedy it's you know before so bit me ka dey say we use browser be everything a prevent or arts no enti sisi ya no mabie ma use different browser na me dey be sisi ya no over sign in am yanka sa no me register no me hwe no mo dey $6.99 $6 number no mo dey ato awie this website no is all about referral nti o refer mo na refer man for boho no na wo no onyeska ko refer man for boho me say onya $7 and at the same time so nipa na refer about ko refer bi ba ho a obenya I think $0.4 nti sisi am yanka sa no tell me the best here nti me 128 na mato agu keke say next year o person may you post na oboso a no aba you post website na kasa no kra no omonya time and design ni ye cause how our website ni even though say my login or my sign in pa but as a sign up abeto website be no professional what sign in dada still abi who sign up for nti we no omo promo ho no mo de buy cause omo here ska omo target bi omo here ska no nti omo di kan ru am ntem no omo no mbenya mfaso nti ko website we no okwohwe yi ana omo di to domain I think so moto 1 year pe so bia domain no www.uskills we no omo to no 1 year pe nti no emfa to team say bia omo betwen ya bia be 8 months na 9 months cause ohwe omo we na how we no fast work na it seems so omo twiaka Tuesday bia senke ye say nka unye ska na anytime ya person onye bia no wa pick no wa request for withdrawal ya DBA so in case of some be na Tuesday na some munchi akan oh Tuesday no yenya some kind of issues be or withdrawal system in nti ye be postpone the na for the next week Tuesday that time na still all the amount for ebam na wo accumulate amount for na all the amount for na ebam bebre nti ebetima ba say o medu ba bi nka so kanipa be 10 eka o referral no ho wo de ka ho a obey eligible so wait me I requested for withdrawal the moment who se bibi say ye ba na chese nkofo no ankasa no omu bedwana no e ade asa na besi nti sisia wo ho na obi person ntwe nwuram a make sure say 128 and 130 na de wuram no e ade bi a olusi a enhaw memo obi amfa two team say omu buy 1 month cram omu buy 2 months cram omu buy 3 months cram Ponzi scam website no omu ni da omu beko anytime you betimi akọ chat say for side no to betimi ba say wo de no bi do wuram na sa ade chi na no omko what cause and just in case of say wo de obi wuram Wednesday na wo do wuram now the obi wuram wo do obi ade so train the next Tuesday and sana wait me request nti be start time really pa be 10 awuram usika na ba so bebre be wonya be 700 cedis na Monday na makasa omo problem wo mo sister nim enti yan train the next week we ya slide amount for room no more kwa untime nkafe sa no more work because website na kasan very poor na a Ponzi scam kese pa na obosha da the fa influencers no so am influencers no omo no etwe amount for bamti omo de omo withdraw big enti ma afi amote you post no mo de mo beko even though say omo de muram no mo ebi ma withdraw 700-800 cedis but afi no omo de uram enti fasade na ede ento team enti ade ba ko a ewo USkills Africa no ulu sika etuma for sika utinu se ulu si anya de bia ede ebe how to say media 128 a me de buy ya me for referral me send the referral mo bia I'm sick of video internet me the 120 no koye cuz me koye how website na fast work ti me mo bia na da say omo buy yen che nti omo betimi adu 4 months and 3 months for sisi am no ka say me release video betimi ba say watch na mbeko betimi ba say the following 50 minutes on mbeko betimi ba say anytime be on mbeko follow tech into your Facebook, YouTube, and subscribe to me. The videos with background, the videos are. I here. Oh, Ghana have ya, Debia. Unim. I don't know,